Hi, I'm Charlie Riddle, Head of Artistry for Stila Cosmetics, and today we're going to introduce you to new Stila Kaleidoscope eyeshadow duo and show you how to apply.
Introducing Kaleidoscope Eyeshadow Duo. Starting with the eyes, I am using Classic Cashmere Duo, the top lighter shade Kitten, and sweeping it all over the lid with a blending brush into the crease. Next, using Smudge Stick in shade Damsel, I am applying directly onto lash line and smudging out with a liner brush for a diffused definition. Then, going back in with darker shade of the duo and applying on outer corner of eye, blending back and forth from lash line to crease until buffed out. To complete the look, sweep the darker shade underneath the eye and add a coat of huge mascara to create a sultry bronze look that's perfect for day's night. Thanks for watching, excited to see what you guys create.